It's a 2012 Chevrolet Malibu. This Malibu shifts your perception of what a mid-size car can be. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, OnStar directions and connections, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and driver and passenger front, seat-mounted, and rear side impact airbags. Car and Driver observes the latest Malibu looks great, drives well, offers good fuel economy and four-cylinder guys, and might just be the best family sedan ever brought forth by a domestic automaker. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.